Hi, this is Adam from MakerState, and I'm back with another Scratch Skills video. In this video, we're going to discuss loops. Loops are an extremely important part of programming. They allow us to repeat a section of code over and over, and that's really important because sometimes we want something to happen multiple times without actually rewriting that piece of code multiple times. This is extremely important for movement and a lot of other things in Scratch. And particularly today, I'm going to focus on the repeat 10 or just repeat block from control and the forever block from control. So repeat allows us to repeat a section of code a specific number of times as we define here. So that can be 10 or that can be 5 or that can be 100, whatever we want. So we might put something like, move 10 steps, repeat that 10 times. And if I double click this, we see this robot move 10 steps. And this is much better than, a few videos ago we made a simple movement script by using when space key pressed, move 10 steps, and that gives us this really choppy sort of movement. But with loops, we can make this movement very smooth and seamless like this, right? So something we could do with this move 10 steps block and this repeat block is instead of having this happen once, we can have it happen twice and move forward 10 steps the first time and then backward 10 steps after that. What might that look like? Good, so it moves forward, moves back, and maybe we even want to make this 20, and we can go a little bit further, and maybe I'll put this whole thing inside of a forever loop, and now this whole thing will repeat over and over, forever. So there we've created a nice moving sort of animation, this sliding animation for this robot using these repeats and this forever loop. Pretty cool. Another example, maybe for this planet here, we might take when green flag clicked, forever, and make the Earth turn 15 degrees to the right when this happens. So now we'll have a continually spinning Earth, and if I press my space bar again, then there goes my robot again doing the repeat and forever combination script that we wrote before. Okay? So there's so much more that you can do with loops. Something else that's really important that loops allow us to do is use these if-then statements in a much more useful way. And the reason for this is an if-then statement can only check for something the moment that the statement is hit. So if we're checking a statement like this forever, that means we have many opportunities to check for a given condition. For example, if I use a key space press block and a move 10 steps block, now this robot will have smooth movement whenever I press my key space press block, okay? Or whenever I press my space key, I should say. So there's just another thing you can do with loops. Experiment with loops. They can be really useful for your programming. And we'll get more into different uses for them in future videos, I'm sure, but here's just a basic look at how to use some of these blocks. So I hope you enjoyed this video and come back for the next Scratch Skills video. Bye.